Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting the essentials ready. Sign into the Google account you want to use on your iPhone and confirm iOS is up to date. Then open Settings, go to Mail or Contacts, tap Accounts, select Google and toggle Contacts on. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is active because the first sync uploads or merges entries. Without data, nothing moves. Once done, leave the app open briefly so the system can begin transferring names and numbers. Next, you'll focus on merging and verifying so nothing is lost. In Settings, Contacts set default account to the Google account you enabled. This ensures new contacts are saved there. Open the Contacts app and scan for migrated entries and duplicates. Some names may appear twice until deduplication finishes. If you want fine control, sign into Google Contacts on a browser. Review labels and merge duplicates there because Google's web tools handle bulk merges more reliably. Make sure changes sync back to your phone. Finish by ensuring a complete sync. Open Settings, go to Accounts, and if needed, toggle Contacts off and back on to force a refresh. You can also pull down in the Contacts app to refresh. Give the phone several minutes to upload and download large lists. Patience matters for hundreds or thousands of entries. If contacts still don't appear, remove the Google account and add it again. This often clears authentication or sync glitches. One troubleshooting tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.